Hello everyone, Will the Trill here. Here I have my latest acquisition. These are 4 air conditioners I bought from Facebook Marketplace, and the seller was asking $40 for all 4 of these. It was at $10 each. So the house these units came from, the house was being renovated, and a mini split system was being installed, so these units weren't needed anymore. So these units were taken out of the wall, which is why, unfortunately, these units didn't come with the sleeves. I highly suspect that the sleeves were destroyed while being removed from the wall. And this right here is a mid to late 80s Carrier Siesta 2. It is a yeah, I'll have to read the tag again when I get this out of the car, along with this one. And this is 1980s Sanyo rotary cool. It's a large chassis. It's like between 15 to 18,000 BTUs. Obviously a 220 volt. I have the grills inside. And over there, those are 2 mid to late 90s Frederick Q Stars. Yep, unfortunately, these didn't come with the sleeves. As you can see, this one's very dirty. Oh boy. As you can see, this one is a 8250 BTU, and the other one over there, that is like a 5 or 6,000 BTU. They both have LG, lousy garbage compressors. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start cleaning each unit with New Bright. So I figured I'll get started with this Carrier Siesta 2. Okay, so I figure we'll start with the Carrier Siesta 2. So this unit is a 5400 BTU, and it's pretty filthy. And it appears it's kind of worn off, but it appears this unit is made in March 1986. 5.8 amps, 600 watts. Wow, EAR 9.0 EER. So I'll show you the compressor. I can't identify the compressor though. It's hard to read the label. It's all the way right there. You know what? I'll try. I can't see it. But overall, this unit appears to be in pretty good shape. There's a condenser. And look at the size of that capacitor. That's a weird looking capacitor. See the capacitor? It's a very weird looking capacitor. Alright, compressor, what are you? Okay, here's the fan motor. It's an Eberle. You see how completely round that capacitor is? So look at this fan motor. It's a Brazilian-made fan motor. I didn't even new bright this yet. It's already looking better, even the condenser. All right, let's start new brighting. Okay. Now this unit cleaned up quite nicely. This unit is in nice shape. Like almost no rust at all. But as you can see, I don't know if this is factory or not, but if it isn't, this unit was repaired at one point. But look at that, this unit is in really nice shape. It's in great shape. That's a rock. Oh no, it's glue. Well, no rust holes anywhere in the base pan. Nice. As you can see here, this condensation line, it was completely clogged. It took me a few sprays to unclog and a lot of junk oozed out. But wow. 1986 Carrier Siesta 2, cleaned up really nicely. Now to blow dry it. Okay, just finished blow drying it with compressed air. Boy, this unit turned out nice. Still a little bit of water right there. Okay, now I'm going to bring it inside. Next. I'm going to do this one, because since this is the smaller one. So here is the smaller Q-Star. Like, this one's not half bad. Like, no, it's really not quite that bad. It just has some dirt and dust on it, that's it. LG compressor, of course. Yeah, so this is definitely later than 1995. Yeah, so this one is a 5400 BTU, same size as the Carrier Siesta 2 from 1986. Well, that's nice, and made in USA. 17 ounces of R22. Alright, better go on the cleaning. As you can see, this 5400 BTU Q-Star, this thing really cleaned up nicely. Look at that. Pardon the evaporator, I kind of slacked a little bit since this came out really clean. Like it's, oh, look how good a shape this is in. Pretty much no rust in this piece here of the condenser coil. Oh, the condenser coil is perfect in this thing. I just wish it had the sleeve. That's what sucks. It doesn't have the sleeve. Now look at how clean this thing got. This thing didn't need much new brighting at all. Just quick sprays of new bright on each coil, a little bit on the unit itself, sprayed it down, done. Now on to the next one. Here is the 8250 BTU Q-Star, also with the LG compressor. As you can see, this one's pretty dirty. Wiring diagram's worn off. Evaporator's nasty. I don't think it had a filter. That's what it looks like. Yep. This one's pretty dirty. The condenser coil, a little bit worse, but still not that bad. Evaporator's a lot worse than the other one, though. Okay, now to have the fun. New Bright this thing. Woo-wee! Look at this one. Oh yeah, this one's bad. The evaporator especially. The condenser, not quite. I don't think this one ever had a filter in it. I gotta do this one because I want to see. Oh man, look at that. Holy shit. Now the condenser. Well, I'm surprised. The condenser's not as bad as the evaporator. Yeah, I highly suspect this unit never had a filter. Gee, look at that. That is so bad. I'm gonna have to give it another round of New Bright. Now that looks 1,000% better. Unfortunately, I'm almost out of my New Bright coil cleaner, so hopefully I have enough to clean the Sanyo rotary cool. Yeah, there's still some stuff in there, but what are you gonna do? And as you can see, there's pretty bad coil rot at the bottom of the condenser. See that? Another reasons why you can't have standing water in an AC unit, because this happens as well, besides rust. But this base pan's plastic. Yeah, this unit's not in quite as good of shape as the 5400 BTU. Alright, last but not least, the Behemoth. Well, unfortunately for right now, of this Sanyo rotary cool, it's too heavy for me to carry. Also, I don't have any information like what the BTU rating of this unit is. And this concerns me. You see there? There's a piercing valve. So that means this unit has a leak somewhere. But you know, there's a nice quality built unit. Everything's metal on this, except for the condenser, maybe the evaporator fan. And you see, look at that, that's crumbling. Well, I'll have to make a more detailed video of this next time. Yeah, I don't want to risk killing myself trying to carry this unit out of the car, because I got work later. I don't want to make an excuse of not being able to show up to work because of some one stupid thing like this. Getting injured from trying to carry this unit. Oh well. I'll figure something out. Okay, so it's been a couple of weeks. Here is the Carrier Siesta 2, which is the slide-out chassis. This is the 5400 BTU from 1986. I figured since it's over 70 degrees out, the temperature's finally reached the point where I can finally test these units I just got. Well, I can't test the Sanyo because I don't have 220 volts, unfortunately. The best I could do was just vacuum it and everything. So right now, I'm going to So it's plugged in. Now I heard these Toshibas, they're very smooth running rotaries, so since the fan motor, no free play. It's rubbing against something. Well, we'll find out in a second. So we'll start with low fan. Uh-oh. That's not good. Try medium. That's high. Don't tell me the capacitor's crapping out. That unique looking capacitor. That's medium. That's not good. Okay, the only way to find out if it really is the capacitor is to try to fire up the compressor. No, I think it is the fan motor. Compressor fired up, no problem. Let me tell you, that's just nice, smooth running compressor. It's the high side. Starting to get warm. This thing hasn't ran in a while, so you have to... Starting to get cold. Wow. These Toshiba rotaries, wow, they're great rotaries. Wow. They even beat the Matsushitas. Yeah, way better than even the Matsushita rotary. Yeah. Oh yeah, the refrigerant works from top to bottom. Yeah, the top is starting to get cold. Yeah, the fan motor runs fine on high, medium and low. It has issues running on medium and low. Probably just needs oil, but Problem is, I don't see any oil ports to drop any oil. Don't tell me I got to take this whole unit apart just to take the motor out, just to oil it. That'll be stupid. I really don't feel like doing that. Oh yeah, this is starting to get cold. Install the motors. Ooh, that's cold. Wow. Oh, this thing blows cold. Works perfect. Well, except the fan motor needs attention. Okay, let me try the other speeds now. Medium, it's running fine. Oh, now it's running fine on medium. Okay, let's try low. Yeah, low, it's still bogging down. Okay, let's hope this is due to it sitting for a long time. Okay, I keep it on medium, and if it bogs down, that's an issue. Excuse me. Let you listen to the Toshiba. Yep, high side's nice and hot. Low side's icy cold. Yeah. It's doing better on medium now. It's not bogging down on medium anymore. Yeah, it's got to be from sitting for a while. I don't know how long it's been sitting. Okay, let's try low. Yeah, let's try low. It's getting there. It's not quite bogging down as much. Yeah, so far so good. Like, it's got a full charge. It's perfect. Let me feel the motor. It feels kind of hot. Hope that's normal. Hope it's normal. It's quiet. Okay, shut her down. Spin down time, not too bad. Ah, the thermostat just kicked off. Well, that's it for this one. Now on to the other ones. Okay, now here's the 5400 BTU Frederick Q-Star after the Carrier Siesta 2, also 5400 BTU. Now to test run this one. We'll start on fan. That bearing makes a little bit of noise. Uh-oh. Oh. Duh. Yeah, the fan motor bearings makes a little bit of noise, but not too bad. Medium. Not bad. Yeah, the motor makes a little bit of noise, but it's quiet. Now to fire up the LG, which I like to say lousy garbage, compressor. It's starting to get a little cold. It's gaining pressure. It's starting to get cold. Yeah, this is going to take a little while to get cold. Yep, she's getting cold now. It's getting warm. I don't think this thing has ran in a while. That's cold. Oh, look. Look at this capillary tube. It's freezing over. Oh, wait a minute. That should be normal. We'll see if it goes away in a minute. She is getting cold. Ooh, that's icy. Nice. Yep, that's hot. It's getting hot. Just excuse me, guys. My camera's plugged in, so that's why I can't move around much. That's why it's my camera that's plugged in. I forgot to charge it, obviously. I hate when I do that. Yep, condenser's getting nice and warm. it's getting nice and cold now. Yeah, like I said, these rotary compressors, they take a while to get cold. But recips, they get cold, they build pressure in no time at all. Let me stall the fan. Woo, nice. Yeah, that's ice cold. It's sweating too. See that? It's sweating. Alright, that should do it for this one. So listen to the refrigerant. That was the vent. Well, guys, I do have good news regarding this 5400 BTU Q-Star. As you can see, I found a sleeve for this unit. Thanks to a fellow collector. This is a sleeve for a K-Star that I took some parts off it and took the rest of it to my local recycling center. Thank you to this fellow collector for letting me know about this unit. And that's what I did. So I parted out that K-Star. I took its control panel face, took its knobs, a couple bolts, its power cord, its filter, and this sleeve. So once again, thank you very much to this fellow collector. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and slide this unit in the sleeve. Alright, first I'll unplug it. Okay. We'll find out together how well this fits. Whoa. Well, a perfect fit. Beautiful. This Q-Star has a sleeve again. Nice. Mission accomplished. Beautiful. Slid right in. One thing off my chest. Now to find a sleeve for that one. Last but not least, put its grill on. Perfect. Actually, this grill didn't come with bolts, but I do have some laying around. See if those will fit. Looks like they'll fit. Come on. Come on, get in there, you little bastard. Are you gonna fit? Yep, it will. Okay, nice. Now put this one aside. Now to test this one. Move some stuff out of the way. Hold on a sec. Okay, now for the 8300 BTU, more specifically the 8250 BTU Q-Star. No smoke. Whoops. Now for this one. Start with fan. There's still some crud in there. You can tell the difference in airflow for being an 8,000 BTU. Now for the compressor. She's gaining pressure. She's getting cold. Yeah, just like the Siesta 2, the refrigerant flow works from top to bottom. Oh yeah, she's getting cold now. Check the condenser. Oh yeah, she's starting to get warm. Believe it or not, since this one is pretty dirty, a lot dirtier than the 5400 BTU, the fan motor's bearings are in better shape than the other one. The bearings in the smaller one makes just a little bit of noise, but this one's not making any noise at all. I'm rather surprised. Install the fan. Oh, look at the, God damn it, I just forgot what it was. Damn it. Tube. What the fuck is it? I just forgot what this was. I hate when this happens. Anyway, so this is for Frozen Over. Yeah, she's getting there. And so like I said before, this is why I don't like rotary compressors as much, because they take a while to get cold. A huge majority of them anyway. Because of these crappy LG compressors, like this one here, like both of these have LG compressors, like they take too long to get cold. Yeah, this is still, the bottom is still not completely cold yet, but it's sweating. Most of it's sweating. It is sweating, most of it. Still got stuff blowing at me. It's high. Damn, and the bottom of the inside of that is still pretty dirty, like. Alright, I guess that'll do for this one. Let you listen to that refrigerant flow. I gotta pick some of this stuff up that this thing blew out, the discharge. Unfortunately, I can't run the Sanyo rotary cool. I still have it in the back of my car because it's way too heavy to carry by myself. As you saw in previous clips. And also because I don't have 220 volts to run it. So, oh well. Well, that concludes this video. And thank you very much for watching. And don't forget, hit like hit subscribe, and please don't forget to always love